Hello. So in this video, we will see what we have created as a part of Python assignment. So we have created a distributed weather simulation engine. So this project was created using Celery, Postgres, Fast API, Redis, PyTest, and Docker. So let's get started with the by running the containers. So we will do a Docker compose up. Okay, and then we will go to the Docker desktop. We will not see any containers or volumes as of now. So we will wait till these containers get up and running. So till then, we will go through the code structure that we have here. So we have this main.py file which defines a bunch of endpoints to manipulate the tasks. For example, to take the input from the user, we have defined this endpoint which basically creates a Celery task and calls the worker.createTask function, and then we have a bunch of other endpoints as well. So now we'll go to the workers.py file. Here we have defined a task of create task, and here we are stimulating a long running task by doing a time.sleep function and then assigning a result, which is obviously a random value for simplicity. And then we are updating the weather task in the DB. And now we will move to db.py. So we have created a computational task table. It has a task ID, which is a UUID, and another salary task UUID, which gets generated when we initiate a task. And then we have the status of this task and the task type. So for the task type, we have defined three levels. The first one is the simple task, the other one is the medium, and the third one is the hard task. So according to these value, the worker will take more and more time. And now we'll go to the Docker Compose file. So we have this web, which is basically running a fast API, and then we have a worker container and a Redis, which is a standard Redis image. And then we have a Flower dashboard, which will help us to see what are workers that we have and what are the tasks that are currently running, and a Postgres for storing the computational task table. So I hope by now the containers must be up and running. We can view that by going to Docker desktop. You would see the 5 containers are up and running. Also, there would be a volume attached to them, so it will help us to persist the data. So we will first go to the simulation dashboard that we have here, which is this one. So here you would see we have three task type defined, which I previously talked. So we will first initiate a small task. So here you would see we already have a ID, and then after some time the status got changed to success and we have the result. Similarly, we can also mock a long running task which is going to take more time. So it is keeps on checking the status of the task until it gets the success response. And if you want to see what are the APIs that we have, then you can try these talks. And it is a by default provided by Fast API. So it will list out all the APIs that we have. And also the Flower dashboard that we have, it will show you how many workers we have. So we have defined only one worker. And let me refresh. And then go to the task. So you would see till now two tasks has been done with the task type 3, which was a hard task, and task type 1, which was a easy task. And also this is a broker. We don't have anything in here. Broker here is a Redis. And yeah, that's all that we have in here. And I will attach the link of this code with the email. Thank you.